Design of experiment quick guide. 10 things to know. We're going to discuss each and every factor. Let's start with the first factor. Set acceptance criteria. How much you would like to have. For example, 95% confidence. That means you can live with 5% risk, right? Or if you wanted to widen or tighten, both are possible. For example, 90% confidence. That means alpha risk going to be 10%, right? So based on your requirement, you can adjust alpha error. Second thing is that select factors. Choose factor carefully with the help of hypothesis testing. As much as possible, filter it down so you can perform with a less factor, you can optimize the design, and you can optimize the experiment and so on. Define level. Generally, in design of experiment, binary is suggested. For example, even if you have a variable data or continuous data, you can convert back to binary, right? Pick up two level, like for example, low, high, on, off, 0, 1, 1, 2, and so on. Fourth factor, plan sample run. For example, for sample run, you can have a readily available simple formula. Number of runs equal to L, that is level, to the power of factor. How much factor you have? For example, you have two level, two factor. That means number of runs you need to do it is 4, right? 2 the power of 2 is 4. And similarly, if you want to repeat the same thing, you can do that. Replicates is always good idea, right? Or if you have too much factor, you wanted to cut it down through the fractional, or you wanted to use ortho design, or you wanted to use so much factors you wanted to use Plankett-Burman method, you can still use it. Fifth factor is randomize order. Why it is very important? So that shuffle the sequence to reduce bias.